I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Lang tulog na nga lang guys, ay talagang mapapanood na nga natin ang movie ng ating Bel Mariano na Meet, Greet and Buy, na kung saan ay talaga namang for the promote na nga itong ating Bel kahit sa ibang bansa pa ito. At talagang napaka-hands-on nga rin ng ating Bel Mariano. Narito na nga guys ang bawat interview ng ating Bel patungkol sa movie nila.
Hi everybody, my name is Lumen Belchan and I am here with some very special guests today. This is Piolo Pascal and also Bel Mariano, and they are going to tell us about their new film. So why don't you tell us about the story and some other key details that you would want to share with our audience today?
Well, it's a family story. It talks about our relationship with our mothers and, with each other. And, as you saw in the trailer, our mother is going through an illness, and we're gonna deal with this all together.
As a family.
As a family.
Talaga namang nai-repost na nga ito ng ating Bel Mariano sa kanyang social media account, na kung saan ay talagang meron nga silang exclusive interview at nasa post na nga ito ng Enlightened Media INC. At don't miss Meet, Greet and Buy in theaters November 14. Iyan na nga ngayon ang pinag-uusapan, kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more update.